guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I got another awesome tutorial prepared for you guys. But first, I'm gonna show you this whole collection right here that I made. This is like the Sanrio character, like the most famous one, I think. So they're all like little baby, they're sitting here, they're super cute. So I'm gonna show you each one of them. Like, you know, we have this little guy, Pachaco, I think, Hello Kitty, my favorite, Cinnamon Roll right here, and then we have Lala and Kiki, the little twin stars. They're so cute, and I don't see a lot of like 3D perlers for these two, so definitely, you know, you will want to build these two. And then also, of course, my favorite too is my Melody and Kuromi. And then last but not least is Bechimoro, right? Sometimes I can't say his name in English, so excuse me. Yeah, so which one is your favorite character from here? So comment down below so that I know which tutorial I should do next for you guys. So today I'm gonna be building this one, Hello Kitty, with you guys. Look, I made this giant one so I can show you guys how to build this. She's super cute, look. So I hope you're gonna like this one. If you're gonna make it, tag me on Instagram, so I'm gonna give you a special shout out. And also today I want to show you the little Kuromi that I made. She's right here. Isn't she adorable? She has a little tail. Yeah, so I made this one with the mini Perler bee, and I also customized her with this little keychain doll that I have. Look, they look like the same, right? Very close, like the same outfit. So I made a little sign for her right here. It says Kuromi. Maybe the other side. Yeah, so it's Kuromi. So it looks really cute. If you're a fan of Kuromi, let me know. So I'm gonna do the tutorial in the future as well. And again, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the bell so you're gonna get notification whenever I post new tutorials and like cool stuff. You're gonna get notified it. And then also follow me on Instagram and Pinterest, because there's where I post a lot of my 3D perlers, and also I have update whenever I have new video or new things that I found like that is really cute, because I noticed that sometimes YouTube doesn't like give notification, so that if you follow me on those platforms, you're gonna get notified as well. Alright, so today let's get started to build Hello Kitty. Woo!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so let's get started with the body parts. So this is gonna be the connector for all the pieces. So I'm gonna start from the first piece right here. So I'm gonna go in from this way. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so this is gonna be the first piece, and then this is gonna be the second piece. Alright, looking good. And then this is gonna be the third piece. Alright, we're almost there to having this pieces right here. Alright, so one more onto the back. So I always try to find the side that will create less gap. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Yeah, we got it in. All right, so from here, we're gonna build the two sides first. So this side, if you can see the extra yellow bead is gonna go to the back. Oh, actually, I think this side is better. Because the main point is to create less gap. And then so this one, the extra bead will go to the back. All right, looking good, I think. Yeah. All right, so let's build the bottom. Oh, actually, I didn't like that. I think this create more gaps. So let's try the opposite side. I think I got it wrong. Okay. So it's gonna be an easy fix. And then this one to the other side. Okay, so much better. All right, so let's go from the bottom. So as you can see, this one we're gonna put right here to fill up. And then this is gonna be the next. And then the shorter edge is facing this way. Yay! All right, so let's go to the side again. So it's gonna go like this. Yep. And then the other side. Ooh, look, we're almost done here. Yay, looking perfect. And then, so let's finish with the back right here. So just pop it back. Yay. All right, so let's finish to fill up the both sides first. So we're gonna start with this one. So it's gonna go in here. And then the other one's gonna go here. And then fill up the outside. Okay, let's flip it. Yep, looking good. And then this is gonna be the last piece over here. And then these two gonna be the feet. Yay! Now we got the body done. Alright, let's get started building the head. It's actually pretty easy, but I'm gonna build the cube first, so this way it's easier to add all the layers. So I'm gonna start with this piece, and then this is gonna be the top. So I'm gonna lay it here, looking good, and then this is gonna be the back piece. So I'm gonna add it right here, just like so, and then let's add this one to the bottom. So it's gonna go like this. Yep. So that's the only way to insert it so you won't mess it up. All right, so now we have the cube. Let's add the sides first. So this is gonna be the side piece going in this way. All right, and then this is gonna be the side piece for the other side. Oops. Yep, looking good. Now we have this. Now we can add the face to the front. Yay, looking good. We can also add this one to the back as well. So I'm going to show you, because I always flipping around. As you can see here, it doesn't go in perfectly. So it has a little gap. So I will flip it around. So this side is going to fit perfectly, because you see an arch there. So usually when that happens, flip to the other side and see which way works better. All right, so let's close to both sides using this piece right here. See, I'm choosing the side that will lay flatter. All right, looks like we're almost done here. So let's add the ear right here. So the ear gonna go in this way. Let's see, does it go in? Yeah. Okay, so it looks like this is brand new iron. So I need to use this to kind of open up a little bit. Yep, looking good. And then I can add this one onto the top. Yay. And then to the other side, this one looks bigger, so hopefully it fits. No, it doesn't. All right, so sometimes we have to use some tool just to open up just a little bit more. Looking good. All right, so final piece right here. Yep. Just like so. Yay, look at Hello Kitty, super cute. Let's add the body now. right here. So I'll just simply insert it. Oops. Yay! So we're done, and I got the big Hello Kitty and the small Hello Kitty. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and tag me on Instagram if you make this one with my tutorials. I'm gonna give you a special shout out. Look at how cute! And then stay tuned for the other characters tutorial. Alright, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!